guys, it's Ronnie from Asiatic Wiz, and I am back today with another video. In today's video, I am going to be opening the Bargain Bead Box subscription for July of 2020. I'm going to get this open, get myself organized, and I'll be back to show you what's in here. So this month's collection features a summary variety of sand, sea, and shell colors with high quality deep bronze findings. Artisan crafted lampwork and porcelain focals add a handmade touch, while fossil coral offers an environmentally responsible alternative to harvesting live reefs, plus a beautiful earthy texture. Crystal accents are included in both matte and sparkling hues, complementing lovely wave blue, agate, and frosted quartz rounds. All right, let's see what's in here. All right, number one, we have a 28 by 30 millimeter handmade glazed porcelain scallop shell pendant. It's nice. This is really nice quality. Nice shell. It actually looks real. Number two, we have 70 of these 4 millimeter corrugated spacer beads. The findings this month are in a bronze color, so we're going to have plenty of those, and these are cute. Number three, we have 16-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal bicone beads in a marine blue iris. And as usual with the crystal bicones, you just get a really nice shine and shimmer on them, and they really reflect that light. And it's a beautiful deep ocean color, this marine blue. Very pretty. Number four, we have an 8-inch strand of 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondelle beads in a marine blue opal. And again, more of that ocean blue color. Very reminiscent of water, and these look like they would go great with the marine blue iris. That's really pretty. I like that. I like that color. Let's get a close-up. Number five, we have 10 grams of 18 by 13 starfish and scallop links. And there's a close-up of those. They are connected to each other in one piece. You see that? So there's the scallop and the starfish. And there's the back of it. So you can see the difference. That's cute. Number six, we have 25 8 millimeter 4 petal bead caps. And there's a close-up of those. Nothing out of the ordinary. Just your basic bead caps. Number seven, we have 1 meter of 5.7 by 4.8 millimeter steel figural jewelry chain in an antique bronze finish. I always enjoy getting chain from Bargain Bead Box or their sister site, Bead Box Bargains. It's great quality. I've never had a problem with any of their chain. And I like this figural style of chain. There, if you can get hopefully you can see the pattern there. Number eight, we have 5 pieces of 12 by 17 shell charms. And these are really cute. I like these. They almost look like little fans. Front and back are the same. That's cute. We have 5 of these. Number 9, we have 3 sets of a 20 by 22 classic rope accent toggle clasp. And that is indeed classic right there. That's cute. Nothing spectacular about these. Just your basic toggle clasp. Number 10, we have 4 pieces of these detailed metal shell beads. These are in a 24 by 10 millimeter size. The hole goes through there. See that? So that's cute. I have an idea for these. Yeah, I have an idea for these. These are cute. Different. I've never seen anything like these before. Let's get a close-up. Number 11. Number 11, we have a 15-inch strand, 6 millimeter round mother of pearl shell beads. And I'm thinking we got these last year in 2019. I kind of feel like we did. But either way, perfect for the summer. Definitely fits in with a beach theme. Very nice, round. And with the mother of pearl, it kind of, what they do, they have a pearl look, a very creamy color. Number 12, we have a 27 by 36 millimeter pewter ammonite pendant in an antique bronze finish. Both sides the same. Nice little weight on it. It's not heavy, but you can feel it. For number 13, we have mixed sizes of steel jump rings in the antique bronze finish. They range in size from 4 to 10 millimeters. These all happen to look the same size, but in the packet you can see that there are different sizes there. Let's see. There you go. Now you can see there's a little bit more variety of size there. There's some small ones. Teeny tiny one. Number 14, we have 5 14 millimeter handmade porcelain round beads in an ivory glaze. This has a very classic look. Nice weight on them. This is really, this really feels like a 1970s vibe to me. This has a very retro feel to me. I don't know why, but it does. But either way, I like it. There's your hole. This is cool. I'm not quite sure how to fit this in with this set, but yeah, these are cool. Number 15, we have 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter agate round beads in a turquoise waves. These are dyed and heated to get this color. And this is a very cool color. Nice little variations in there. Really cool. That's nice. There's a close-up for you. Number 16, we have 2 18 millimeter handmade lampwork lentil beads, and these are tropical waves. And it's absolutely tropical waves. That's really nice. I like that. That's cool. And it seems to be really good quality. Number 17, we have a 7-inch strand of 6mm frosted quartz round beads in an aqua blue. And these also are dyed to get this beautiful color. Nicely round. Pretty cool. Number 18, we have 20 pieces of this 8mm natural fossil coral round beads. And these are very nice. Really cool. I like these a lot. These have a very earthy color to them, so that's very much your sandy color, and that goes great with the blues. Number 19, we have 48 of these teeny tiny 3mm, and I'm not going to take these out, not all of them, of these teeny tiny crystal faceted cube beads in a light peach. I don't know if my camera is picking up that color, but that is a very, very pale peachy color. These are faceted and seem to be very uniform in color, so that's always good as well. And lastly, number 20, we have 5 pieces of a 12 by 10mm matte crystal faceted barrel beads. And these are kind of in an aqua coloring, light turquoise maybe. So there's a close-up of those. Nicely faceted. They're matte. They almost feel frosted. But that's pretty cool. Small hole. Smaller than I would have expected. But these are pretty cool. Here is a final look of everything that we received in this month, July 2020 Bargain Bead Box subscription. Everything here has an approximate total retail value of $71. I feel like there's a little bit more than what we usually have gotten in this box this month. This is a great selection. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any additional videos I make. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have fun with this box if you have it. I'm looking forward to making some things, and I'm looking forward to see what you all are making out there. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great day.